Check the starboard coupling.
Looks good viewed from here.
Pressure stabilization complete.
Scan complete on the fenestron housing.
Data confirms integrity. Logging the readings now.
Look at the readout on the torque load.
It's within tolerance. The Gold is performing as expected.
Individually tracked by laser scanners, this 24K solid gold bullion is destined for the Airbus H225 Super Puma Solid Gold Edition.
Density verified, 19.32 grams per cubic centimeter.
Confirmed. Data logged.
Confirming pickup of pallet 7. Begin transport to smelter array.
Roger that. Commencing swing.
Cross-referencing the metallurgical stamp now.
Data confirms 24K composition. Traceability secured.
Furnace temperature holding steady at 1200 Celsius.
Optimal loading confirmed. Sequence complete.
We have stabilization across all zones.
Good. The pour is complete.
As the 24K Gold solidifies, thermal stresses create subtle contraction lines, crucial for the rotor head assembly.
The massive hydraulic press stamps the 24K gold sheets, forming the complex curvature.
The sheer volume of 24-karat gold required for the Super Puma project necessitates a fully automated inventory system.
Check the tolerances on that leading edge.
Holding steady at 2 microns. Absolutely flawless.
surface roughness is well within tolerance.
Confirmed. The aerodynamic efficiency won't be compromised.
A heavy-duty CNC machine carves the complex articulation points of the main landing gear strut. The camera follows a sealed stainless steel tube carrying the recycled bright yellow gold shavings back to the refinery input.
Section clear, continue descent.
Engaging alignment pin now.
Torquing to specifications. Confirm secure. Clear on the left, coming up to the alignment point.
Confirmed, steady as she goes. Laser readings steady at 0.
Alignment confirmed. Locking sequence initiated.
Specification met. Logging confirmed. Verified.
Easy now, the weight is shifting.
Steady, steady. We need micro adjustments on the arm.
It's almost flush.
Alignment holding steady at 99.8%.
Contact confirmed. Splines fully engaged. Green status.
Hold it steady, aligning the lower support now.
Clear. The seal looks good, confirming the latch.
Watch the clearance on your side.
We have alignment.
Torquing the bolts.
Blade secure. Check. Confirmed.
The reflection quality is exceptional. No distortions visible.
Agreed. The 24-karat surface is immaculate. The precision required here is exceptional, as surface finish directly impacts lift and drag. This is the solid gold edition.
Watch the pressure on that joint. It's holding the mirror finish well.
The alignment is holding perfectly across the curve.
Excellent. No air bubbles visible at all.
maintaining 3 inches clearance on the port side.
Confirmed. Platforms are secure and fully retracted.
Ready for the transition?
Hanger lights down. Bring up the spots.
Adjusting beam 4, maximize the reflection on the tail.
Crafted from 24-karat solid gold, the rotor head's structural integrity is a testament to modern metallurgy.